Let me create the remaining functions. Now in order to delete 9 from the dictionary, let me create a function. Okay, so I am going to create another function to delete 9. DEF followed by D dictionary. What I mean by D is delete. So delete an item from the dictionary. Certainly the dictionary should be passed as an argument. The element that you want to delete, here it is 9. Let me generalize it. Okay, let me use the variable name E so that E contains the element that you want to delete. Here it is 9. Now followed by colon. Document string used to delete E from the dictionary. Now, before you delete, check whether E is present in the dictionary or not. Because if E is not present in the dictionary, we cannot delete, isn't it? So I'm going to check whether E is present in the dictionary. How do you do that? If E in D, meaning E is present in the dictionary, for the time being pass. Later I will replace pass with the required statements. Otherwise you can say print E is not present in the dictionary. Is not present in the dictionary. So here readability is lost, double quotes, and you can break, and here start with a double quotes. Okay, so like this you can break. So E is not present in the dictionary. Now if E in D, meaning E is present, you can delete. So this pass, I can delete E from dictionary D. Before I delete, the details of E should be displayed in the computer's monitor. Only after that E should be deleted from dictionary D. Okay, because before deletion, it is a practice, the element that you delete, that must be displayed in the monitor, and after that you can delete. So I am going to display the value corresponding to E. Okay, so first let me display the value. Sorry, print. You can write value corresponding to value corresponding to E. The value of variable E should come, and that equals, maybe you can break here. Okay, and what's there should be a comma. There should be a comma, and here you can write what's the value corresponding to key E. It is D of E. Why did I write D of E? Because I told you in order to get the value, it is dictionary variable name square bracket key. Okay, so if you write D of key, the corresponding value is returned as answer. Okay, previous video tutor explains that. Now you can delete the key E from dictionary D. So here you can write delete D of E. Okay, so you can delete that. So successfully deleted. So one more function is ready. In order to delete an item from dictionary D, I created a function. Now you are in a position to write the main function. So maybe start with a comment, main function. Whenever you write a menu driven program, infinite while loop. Now you can call the function menu. You can read the choice. Okay. Okay. Now complete the structure of if else. Very important. That is how it must be done. Okay. So if choice equal to 1, for the time being you should write pass. If choice equal to 2, for the time being pass. Complete the structure of if else, and after that you can replace pass one by one. 3, now 4, If you don't do like this, the problem is you will make mistake in the structure of if else. Okay, so if you do like this, there is no problem. This is the correct way of doing it. Now here you can use 7. 10 options are there, isn't it? Menu contains 10 options. So simply copy paste, that's all. And what is the 10th option? Exit from the program, isn't it? Just check. Yeah, option number 10 is exit from the program. So for 10, straight away you can write break. And you know break takes the control outside loop, which means outside loop there are no statements, so which means you exit from the program. Now finally you can write one else. You can write wrong choice. Okay, wrong choice. Now you can replace pass one by one. What is option number 1? Create dictionary. So you can copy paste this function. You need to call the function create dictionary. While calling the function, no need for colon. So right click, paste, create dictionary. What is option number 2? It is display all the keys. Okay, so you can copy paste the function, this one, show keys. Now before that I made a mistake. This function returns an answer after creating the dictionary. You can see after creating the dictionary is returned as an answer. Okay, so here there should be a variable to store that dictionary, that answer. So now the main function receives the dictionary D, so that when you call this function, D can be passed as an argument. What is option number 3? Option number 3 is, you can see, display the values, display all the values. So here you can call the function show values. So option number 3, show values. No need for colon while calling the function. Now what is option number 4? Display all the items. Okay, and in order to display all the items, we did not create any function. So you can simply write print the various items of the dictionary. Okay, so here let me break and let me continue here. The various items of the dictionary equals, here you can put a comma, it is d dot items, and items is a function, so don't forget the function symbol. So this will give you all the items present in dictionary D. Item means key value pair. Okay, only one line is there. Now what is option number 5 of the menu? Count the number of items in the dictionary. Okay, so here you can write print, you can write number of items in the dictionary. Maybe you can break number of items in the dictionary equals, you can write, in order to find the number of items you can use the function length within bracket dictionary name. So this will give you the number of items in dictionary D. Okay, now what is option number 6? Search for 7. We have already created a function search dictionary. Right click, copy. Now you can call that one here. Right click, paste. And certainly 7 should be passed because we want to search for 7. We know that 7 is there, but using the program we will conclude that 7 is there. Okay, now what is the next option? Value corresponding to 9. We want to display the value corresponding to 9. It's very easy. So here you can write print, you can write value corresponding to 9 equals, how can you do that? D of 9. because you know D square bracket key will give you the corresponding value. Okay, if you want you can break, maybe let that be in a line. Okay, now what is option number 8 of the main menu? Delete 9. We have created a function for that, delete dictionary. Okay, so right click, copy. You can call the function here, right click, paste. Now the element that you want to delete, the key that you want to delete, here it is 9. So you need to pass 9. And what is option number 9 of the main menu? Pretty printing. Okay, so let me go for pretty printing. Okay, so how can you print a dictionary? It is print D. Now if you want to pretty print, okay, you can make use of the function dumps. Now dumps is present inside which module? JSON. So it should be called as json.dumps, and the indentation level here you can write indent equals maybe 5, that you can decide. So certainly I need to import this module. So depending on the need, you can import a module. Importing must be done at the beginning. So import JSON, done. So your main function is ready. Now we will run the program. If any errors are there, we will correct it. The next video tutor explains the execution of the program.